Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 10th of January, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 23, 2024, our system has ranked Meta as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.54. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.67%. This results in an average return of 0.22% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a possibility for further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.24% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 3.41% to 12.54%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 36.99% over the next year, with potential returns between 18.85% and 43.68%. This suggests a price range between $731.97 to $884.85 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta features the headline, Meta stock has been upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate following the trading session last Friday. On the last trading day, the Meta stock price increased by 0.84%, moving from $610.72 to $615.86. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.45%, ranging from a low of $597.38 to a high of $629.91. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 1.33% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a promising technical indicator, with a total of 10 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 19 million shares changed hands for an approximate value of $11.81 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $638.40, while the lowest was $358.61. Currently, the price stands 3.53%, or $22.54, below the 52-week high of $638.40, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Meta platforms have demonstrated notable volatility recently, with a remarkable surge of 65% in 2024, driven by the company's strong performance among the Magnificent 7 tech stocks. As of January 10, 2025, Meta's stock increased by 3.1%, despite a generally bearish market, highlighting investor confidence in the company's trajectory. The Supreme Court's potential decision to uphold a ban on TikTok has created a favorable environment for Meta, enhancing investor sentiment towards the platform. This situation could translate into increased market share and user engagement for Meta's social media services in the near term. However, the company's recent choice to terminate its diversity, equity, and inclusion programs raises concerns. This shift, along with Mark Zuckerberg's decision to end content fact-checking, indicates a significant cultural pivot that may alienate some consumers and advertisers who prioritize social responsibility. While this might attract a specific demographic seeking less moderation, it could also lead to backlash, affecting Meta's long-term brand perception and trust. In conclusion, while short-term gains may be supported by external market factors like the TikTok situation, the long-term effects of Meta's cultural changes and policy rollbacks will likely require close monitoring, as they could impact overall stability and revenue growth. Investors will need to carefully weigh these dynamics in their future decisions. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolf Research rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities also gave Meta an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating with a hold action. On the same day, UBS reported a buy rating for Meta along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a recommendation to sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at 609.15 and 599.67. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, several negative signals have also surfaced, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 2.28%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 110 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 103 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $591.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $32.53, or 5.45%, between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.6%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This figure is considered relatively normal for a PE ratio, commonly associated with companies that have established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $6.75. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $617.89. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 28,719 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.724. In total, insiders purchased 68,838 shares and sold 172,200 238 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $587.32, reflecting a decline of 4.63%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal originating from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta displays several positive indicators and is currently following a mild upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable option at these current levels, with expectations for further gains in the coming 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 13th, we anticipate Meta to open lower, decreasing by $1.48 and starting trading at $614.38. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.